Rappers are known for their lyrical skills and amazing performances on stage. But did you know that they can also unlock infinite wealth through private franchising? These artists have not only built successful music careers but have also leveraged their talent and brand to create a whole new stream of passive income. Private franchising allows rappers to invest in businesses and earn money while they sleep. Imagine using their fame and influence to attract customers and generate revenue. While they are performing on stage, their businesses are working hard to make them even wealthier. Private franchising offers rappers the opportunity to diversify their income and build long-term wealth. To get started, rappers can research different franchise options that align with their brand and interests. Working with a franchising consultant can help them navigate the process and find the perfect fit. Once a franchise is chosen, rappers can sign agreements and start their journey towards financial freedom. Managing the business requires dedication and hard work, just like writing songs and performing on stage. But the rewards are worth it. Rappers can enjoy financial stability, freedom, and the ability to do what they love for years to come. So, if you're a rapper looking to unlock infinite wealth, consider private franchising and take control of your financial future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and strategies.